Hello everyone, it's me, Stevie Marie, the face behind Steviemstarks. And today I am going to be showing you how I use this gorgeous product right here. Can you see it? This is the Mented Better Setter Setting Spray. I'm going to be telling you how I use the setting spray and the amazing ingredients in this setting spray. But before we get into this video, if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget that subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, let's get into this video. I never done this before, but I heard that it's transfer proof. So I am going to try that right now. And I'm pressing, y'all. I'm pressing. What? That is amazing. It just gives me one more reason to love this setting spray. So the first way I use the setting spray is to set my foundation. I put my foundation on, I sprayed the setting spray onto my beauty blender, and then I patted the setting spray into my foundation. The second way that I love to use the setting spray is that when my look is completely done, I go in and I spray it all over my face. And it sets all of my makeup for the rest of the day. My makeup will not move. Yes, I might have some oils because I am extremely oily. But when I go to pat the oils, it will not mess up my makeup. That is what I love. Now let's get into the ingredients of the setting spray, which makes this so good. First two ingredients that I want to tell you about that are in the Better Setter setting spray is vitamin C and vitamin E. Together, they make this powerful antioxidant protection. Now, the third ingredient that I had never heard before is called rambutan peel extract. Now, this ingredient helps to seal moisture, and it helps support natural ceramide production. And this is perfect for a healthy skin barrier. And the final ingredient I want to tell you about is coconut water. Two main benefits I want to tell you about coconut water that are in this spray. It helps fight anti-aging and it helps to hydrate the skin. Now that I've taught you how I use the Better Setter setting spray and the amazing ingredients in this setting spray, you know what's left? You need to try it for yourself. That's right, I've already put the link down in my description box, and if you purchase from that link, I get a percentage of that sale, so I would really appreciate it if you use that link. Also, in the comment section below, let me know if you've already used it. Let me know how you like this setting spray. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining in. Love you. Bye.